Okay, so this is part 2 of the other video. This is a couple hours later, but yeah, anyways, as you can see, there's a bunch of icicles on this recycling bin. And a bunch of snow here. There's what was on this table here. There's also ice on the, whatever you call these, railings, whatever. But yeah, and the sky is not looking too good either. It's just gray, completely gray. And the windows. Yeah, they're not too good either. The door handles. Like, I've been trying to get the snow off this back windshield, but there's just been so much snow, I just can't. But if you like see it from here, from there, yeah, whatever. So yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna do another part for this one.